Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this video, we have been seen what are the stocks we took entry today and what are the breakout stocks and how the stocks has been performed, which has been we provided in previous days. And before get into this video, we are not a SEBI registered analyst, so please make your own analysis before making any trading decisions. And also to get the live market updates, please follow us on YouTube as well as in the Telegram channel. Yeah, okay. So we have been posted this chart in our Telegram as well as in our YouTube channel. So if you see here, there is a consolidation from the 16th September till October 17th or the 13th of October, and finally the consolidation has been breakout. If we see here, this is due to some earnings result. So stock don't know where to move on, either to go down or either to go up. And anyway, it has provided the retest, and if further in upcoming days, if the price sustains above this level, so it has higher the chances to give the bull run, the momentum candle momentum rally we can expect. If is there any further retracement? Why? Because if you see here, one, two, three, four, five, finally here six. It's around 5 to 6 times it has been touched, and it got rejected. Exactly, it's one, two, three, four, five. Exactly 5 times it got rejected and breakout. So there may be chances it can also give the retest till this level, 1190, and further it can rally. So still, so whatever the stop loss I have been provided earlier, you can stick to the stop loss and we can hold up. Yeah, now let us move on to the next stock. Okay, GRSC. And if we see here, so this is the pattern which we have been found, and it's a amazing triangular pattern, and triangular pattern has been breakout in the past 2 days, and we have been provided this chart analysis in our previous video around this price, this level. And finally here we have the breakout, and the breakout candle also been provided the breakout, back to back breakout, and again it provided the retest, and the stock is ready to fight. So conservative traders can take the buy entry around this price, and from this level to this level, so the aggressive traders can make the entry, and your stop loss need to be below this level. And if the candle price has been sustained above this level, you can trial your stop loss very quickly to this candle low. So next stock is on JK Tire. So from morning I was been keep on looking for the auto sector stocks. So some of the stock has been gave the breakout, and some of the stock has been provided the breakout. So in the Apollo Tire, so we have received some 1 hour time frame fake out, and in the JK Tire, so I was watching on the Apollo Tire only, but when I found the Apollo Tire fake out, I was little strong on JK tire that it has higher the potential to give the breakout. Why? Because there is some price fluctuations I can see in the JK tire, also in the Apollo tire. But I found JK tire the price fluctuation was need to be found to be a true rally. So that's what I have been picked the JK tire, and in our Telegram channel I have been provided my entry point. I was entered around 156, guys. So around this level I have been entered, and once after I entered, so price has been goes down nearly 50 paise, or almost 50 paise it went down, which is 155.50 paise. And post that I have been posted in the Telegram, so you can make the long entry. So and I have been price has been provided 156. So 156 is what the rounded price where we have been entered today, and we have been holding the those stocks. And today itself it gives around a 2 to 2.5 percentage, which is 160 it has been provided. So initially I kept my target as 160 for the intraday, and later on I felt like we can have this stock for the swing. So I just removed my target and I'm going to trial for the future days. And for the new buyers, if you want to make the long entry, this candle is very good candle. And if any 5 minutes candle sustains above this price, you can make a long entry. Otherwise directly you can make the long entry. Why? Because so just here and there 1 or 2% we can miss, but because of that 1 and 2% we should not make miss the entire rally. The rally was seems to be till this level 183. It has the potential to go for 183. And if you ask me, is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. Why? Because in our previous videos also we posted, and those charts also it has been provided. But even though we cannot bet the market whether it's possible or not, but technically it has potential to go till 183 level. But as a first target, you can keep start booking the profit by, as we took the entry on 156, our stop loss was around 150, which is 6 rupees there. So our trade, our happy traders zone stop loss, this reward ratio will be more than 1 is to 1. So you can have the target of more than 10 rupees, which is 156, 1 from 166. Wherever you want, you can book the target. So 166 around this level. Yeah, it's exactly coming the previous high, guys. So this is where it coming. So it's safe. You can make a, you can exit at this level 166, and further the 50% you can exit, and for the remaining 50% you can trial till this level, guys. Yeah. So let us move on to the next one. Okay, so Sun Pharma. So it's not the exact Sun Pharma, but it's a Spark. It's a, it's a replica of the Sun Pharma. Okay. And if any 115 minutes candle has been closed above this price, you can make the long entry. Otherwise, for the conservative traders, wait till 1 day close. At the end of day close, you can make the long entry. And also, if I found there is some good breakout, I will also keep posted in the Telegram earlier. So make use of this chart, guys. And regarding the target, I will post later in our upcoming videos. Yeah. Next one is on the Axis Bank. So if we see here, this is the major the supply zone, and the major supply zone has been breakout today. But even it's a kind of supply candle. But even though I'm considering this as the bullish. Why? Because so if you see here close, there is a close above my level, the zone which I have been drawn. There is a close above this level. So far, if you see here from here to here, there is no close above my demand zone, sorry, supply zone. But today we have a close above this level. If there is a breakout from this level, which is 820, so anyone can make the long entry, and our stop loss need to be below this zone. Also, we can also make like here this. So if you see here, it's a kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern. So one shoulder, and here we considering as a head, and there is a possibility there may be again a right shoulder after the breakout. Yeah, okay. So if any one 5 minutes candle sustains above this price, you can make the long entry. It's for the intraday as well as for the swing. So now let us move on to the next one. Yeah, ACC. So most of the members was bullish on ACC above this level, but I have understood and I have been identified earlier. So ACC is trying to fool the retailers and make the, so make the head and shoulder pattern. So in our previous video, we have been clearly said where the price at this level. We said like if the price has been sustained above this level, so don't go enter into the stock. Why? Because we are there is a formation of head and shoulder pattern. So right exactly at this level, it has been started to give the fall, and still it's not a perfect one until this zone has been break down. this is what our neckline. Once this neckline has been breakdown, then for sure we can wait for the target of till this level. Okay, now let us move on to the next one. It's a Ambuja cement. So if you see here, so one who have been seen the ACC chart can able to find out the pattern what Ambuja cement is making now. So here we have the breakout. Here back to back candle. Here back to back candle. But there is no any bull candle. Those are not those are the baby candle. There is no so mother candle. So this breakout is a false sign. And also if you see here, here the stock is trying to make the head and shoulder pattern. So here there is no any close below this level. So I'm just making this as like this. So if you see here, exactly it seems to be like a head and shoulder pattern. So by intentionally have didn't drawn this head and shoulder. Why? Because I want to make sure my members to identify this such kind of patterns without making marking levels. Then only your creativity can. It's not a creativity. Then only your identification power can improve. You can identify without from your naked eyes. Now let us move on to the next one. It's a budget paint. So budget paint, if you see, there is a amazing pattern here. Here we have the breakout, but the breakout was not that level attractive. So that's why we need to hold on for the price to sustain above this level. If you see here, it's a more selling candle. It's not a bull candle, and here it's making the inner candle. So this is the mother candle. So here we have the child candle. So next 2 3 days there will be some consolidation. If there is a price movement above this level, then only we can make the long entry. So make use of this chart analysis, guys, and let us move on to the next one. It's a UPL. If you see on the UPL, so the same scenario, there is a breakout, but it's not the good breakout. Why? Because if you see here, here we have the five candles and five are baby candles. So we no need, we are not considering this until we have a so retest or any one bull candle. Don't consider this move. Okay, guys. Let us move on to the next chart. So Muthoot Finance, if you see on the Muthoot Finance, so Muthoot Finance, what is happening is, so the risky traders can make the long entry now itself. Why? Because the breakout has been done and it retest also done. So after retest, the candle has opened. Retest has been done here. Candle close has been done here, but candle open was here, which we need to consider as the bullish, and we can make the long entry with the stop loss of this level. So this level you can keep the stop loss, but the safe traders can keep the stop loss as this level. Why? Because if you see here, it's a mother candle, and here we have the child candle. So above this level, so there are different kind of retail traders. So such kind of retail traders will come into picture, and they will buy the stocks and they will move the prices further high once after this level has been breakout. Also, if this level has been break down, the intraday traders will come in to make the prices to go till this level. So current, as per the current price, we can make the long entry. Also in our previous telegram channel, in the telegram channel last week itself, we have been provided, we have taking the buy entry at this level around 1557. So hence we are already in. So you can also, if you are not in, you can also make a little much of quantity and you can hold on, and post breakout of this level you can make the next 50% of your entry. Next one is on the Tata Motors. I would like to highlight the people. If you see here, from 268 to 510, the entire move was done. So just wait until the heat got reduced. So Tata Motors is already heated up, so wait for the Tata Motors to get cooled. So till this level you can hold on 435. Otherwise, if there is any further bullish sign, we can make the long entry at this level. So our ultimate aim is to make profit and do trade, not to make profit only on the Tata Motors. So now let us move on to the Jubilant Food. And for the Jubilant Food, next two stocks which we have been providing, which we have been analyzing against the market move. If you see here, it's a clear cut selling pressure has been done here, and also here clear cut supply has been happened. But if tomorrow market opens, one who didn't take the long entry at this level can make the long entry, and you can wait for the target of till this level. And stop loss, if you want to have the same stop loss, you can keep this breakout candle as your stop loss. And according to this breakout, this would be our entry point, and this is what our stop loss, and this is what our target. So until we get it with this stop loss, or until we get it with this target, we can make the long entry again and again. So the one who didn't make the long entry, you can make the long, you can enter now also. But these two bear candle are just a bear candle. It's not a powerful bear candle. This candle is to just give the warning. Sorry, it's not giving the warning, it's just making the retailers to get fooled. Now let us move on to the next stock. So the same kind of stock where I have been took entry. So if you see here, so this is the breakout candle, and this is my stop loss, and this is my entry point. So if you see here, as according to today price low, the price has been came back to my entry point. So I can make the long entry again and have the stop loss here. And target was around this level, I guess. In our previous video we provided the target, or else also in our upcoming videos we will be providing the target. So I think that's all. And for the intraday, if you see here, back to back IRCTs is forming the higher high. So today I have been got a 10% of move. It's not exactly 10, it's around 8 to 10, which means around 9% of the move. So if any one 5 minutes candle has been closed above this level 5968, you can make the long entry, and you can book profit in the intraday. I'm not going to suggest the new buy entry for the swing trade as well as the investors, as I'm already holding, and whenever the market is going up, I'm cutting my positions one by one. Yeah. Okay, so that's all the analysis for today. So we will get back to you in another video by tomorrow. So keep rocking and happy trading. See you guys. Bye.